play some frumpy housewife who gets dumped for a flapper? Do you remember who I am? Do you remember who you represent? I am Helen Sinclair.
Definitely. You are definitely Helen Sinclair. I look at you and I say, Helen Sinclair. But who better to play this role?
Under whose direction? Some novice.
He's the author.
Of two flops.
Julian told me that it was the director's fault.
Julian
projects
Marks.
were messed up.
I do plays by Alaska and Sam Harris. Not some Yiddish pimp salesman. Turn producer. Would you like?
No, I'm okay.
My ex-husband used to say, if you're gonna go down, you go down with the best of them.
Which ex-husband?
I don't know which ex-husband, the one with the mustache.
Look, Helen, authors are most times the best directors of their own work.
But she's dowdy. And the engineer has all the hot lines. Even the female psychiatrist is a better role.
But the lead of Sylvia Poston is the lead.
I do plays by Noelle and Phil Berry. Or at least, Max Anderson.
Look, this is a serious part in a major play, Helen. And let's face it, you haven't been a hit in a long time.
I never played frumps or virgins, you know that.
Look, you're a star because you're great. And you're a great star, but for the past couple of years, you've been better known as an adulteress and a drunk. Look, I say this in all due respect.
I haven't had a drink since New Year's Eve.
You mean the Chinese New Year's?
Yeah, naturally. But that's too basic. You know how long that is for me and for a star? What does it hold up to?
Success.